Parker here with Heritage Home Partners, powered by your favorite Keller Williams. We're hanging out in Tacoma today with Mackenzie, owner of Wet Noses Dry Paws, which is an indoor dog park. Say hello, Jackie. Mackenzie, tell us a little bit more about your dog park and what you like.
Yeah, so we're kind of like a jack of all trades. We have a little bit of everything, so it's kind of a one-stop shop. We have cageless boarding, we do daycare for day stays, we do retail, we do grooming, we have self-wash stations, we have a bar in there so you can drink beer while you play with your dog.
What? Who doesn't want to have a brewski while the dogs are playing?
Yeah.
It literally is a mecca of awesome happiness for people and their pets. You got to come with us while we do a quick tour inside. We'll catch you in there.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, we're out here at Wet Noses Dry Paws in downtown Tacoma. We're excited for our upcoming event. We are super excited to see everyone's dogs. Again, if you don't have a dog, you can still come. You can borrow a dog too. Borrow a dog, so much fun. There's going to be a pet photographer. Come on guys. And
Beer. And non-beer drinks.
And non-beer drinks. So come out. It's just a fun, family-friendly event and meet your neighbors.
Yes.